Hello everyone. Video we have seen like how we can generate the token, and so for that, like, we have login in the Foodics. We have already logged with the Odoo, and we have installed the modules, and then just in the few clicks we can generate the tokens as well. So after the generating tokens, we have added a tab over here called operations, and in the operations, we have provided a few functionality like auto sync and manual sync. So whenever we create any products in Odoo, or any products we are going to create in Foodics side, so it will automatically sync to the Odoo, and from Odoo to say Foodics as well. So for that, we can came here to the Foodics side, and we can configure like users, branches over here. So let's say in the branches we have created already 2 branches is there, and now if we can go to the Odoo, so in the POS, let's say there are no branches are created over here. Also, we need to make sure that in the branches, once we configure the, and once we sync the branch, that we need to configure the payment method over here. But for now, let me just sync the branch first. So for that, we just need to come to the Foodics side, and we just need to click on the sync branch. So the branch sync successfully. So now let's go to the point of sale module, and yes, here we can see the branch 1 and branch 2 are synced, and we just make sure that all are configured in particular branch, from the Odoo side. So it will good to check and or recheck, I can say. So let's configure the bank and cash payment method, because in Foodics side, as well as the bank and cash payment method we have already synced, so it won't be miss out while configuration or while getting the orders. That's why we already configured. Then let's go to the again sync. Let me open the connection now, and let's say the payment method also we can sync it. So in the Foodics side, let's say the payment method, here, so we have bank, cash, wallet, like this payment method are there. So once we sync it, payment method, so the payment method sync successfully, the message will pop up here. If anything happen during the sync, let's say for now, for the user, we don't have access to sync the user. So once we try to sync it, it will show error, like you do not have permission to access the resource, because this is a sandbox account, so we don't have. So we are showing the error message, like proper error message, like these are the error, it will come over here. So due to this, you are not able to sync properly, like that. And now we can see the payment method as well. So if I open the payment method under the POS, so I can see the this method like already synced from the POS, and this is the method which we need to use in the POS. So and you can see there are 2 cache. So the make sure this is the Odoo cache, like which we have already created in the Odoo, so that we not required, so we can archive it for now. And as well as the bank, so this is also like Foodics ID is not there, so we can archive it. And now we can go to the configuration setting again, and we just make sure like payment method should be configured as per the Foodics account, cash and bank. Okay, and for the same for the another accounts as well. Okay, and as we have as I created the account Odoo database with the demo accounts. That's why it will come like that. Okay. Now after this configuration, we can sync the products as well, like sync the products, like product sync. So let me open the products over here. From the Foodics side, we can open the products. Yes, under the menu. So these are the products we have created. Let's say different images as well, and with the different SKUs and categories as well. So once we sync with the product sync, so let me open the products first over here. Let me go to the POS and open the products. So here we can see, maybe we already synced the one time, that's why you can see all the products with the image. And okay, maybe this is already synced. Previously we have synced this product, so but maybe we not required these products. So let me archive it to check from the fridge. And now let's just click on the product sync. It might take some time because all the products which are already available in the Foodics side, it will sync over here. And also from here to Foodics, from Odoo to Foodics also it will sync, but there are some conditions as well. So okay, so let's just sync the products again. Sometimes like we are not getting the correct or like insufficient data, so due to that, as I have already clicked on the product syncs, so we can see all the products will sync in Odoo, as well as the category as well. And here we can see the message product syncs is successfully. So now we can go to the product and check. So here all the products are synced, and we can see the images like which we have already updated in the Foodics, that also it will sync properly. And yes, also the one thing which we need to define is, if we need to sync from Odoo to Foodics side, so we have added this boolean because as per the requirement we no need to sync all the products into the Foodics. Only those product which is Foodics is true, then only this product will sync from Odoo to Foodics. Okay, then yes, okay, now we can see the product also have the categories as well, like the product categories 3. So because this is why it will in the Foodics, let me go to Foodics. We have defined there are some categories. Yes, these are the categories like which we have already configured in the Foodics. So this category, based on this category in Odoo also it will create a category, and in that category the product will sync. The product will automatically sync with that particular category. So because of that, the product category, it will also show in the Odoo as well the proper categories. Okay. Then in the sync up as well, we have added the tag sync, then the customer syncs, like in the Foodics side if we have customers, and if we do not have permission, as we have a sandbox account, so but once we get the permission, it will sync all the product customer as well, then payment method, then taxes and branch and user as well, the tax. Also, like if we need to automatic sync, so every 1 hour the schedule will be run, and all the this things, the tables will sync automatically in every 1 hour if we need to automatically sync up. Okay, so for now we are going to keep with 1 hour, and okay, yeah, that all things are done for the sync up. So now in the next video we'll show you how to work with the, like, how to sync up the orders, and how it will configure. So for that, let's meet in another video.